Now this is one of my favorites, pork spare ribs in black bean sauce. Really easy recipe, you can just wing it, or if you prefer, the complete ingredients list is on the description below. We're gonna need some spare ribs, cut them into 1-inch cubes, some garlic, ginger, MSG is optional, cornstarch, sesame oil, and fermented black beans. I'm gonna use a grater for the ginger and garlic just because I have one. If you don't have this kind of grater, you can use a microplane, or you can just dice them up really small. Either way is fine. This is pretty simple. We just put everything in the large bowl. I've added in my ginger and garlic paste, put in my pork spare ribs, the MSG, which is optional like I said, some cornstarch, the sesame oil, pinch of salt, some pepper. Using your hands, you can just mix them up really good. And I almost forgot my black beans. It's not going to be black bean sauce without the black beans. Now I'm mixing them up with a spoon because I just washed my hands and didn't want to get them dirty again. Squish some of the black beans. Now I'm going to transfer them onto a container, which is what I'm going to put in the steamer. Arrange the pieces of meat so there's only one layer. It'll cook faster and more evenly this way. I don't really have a bamboo steamer, but I have a trick that we can use. Use 4 chopsticks. Set them like that. And put the container on top of it. Perfect. Add in some water. And close the lid. After about 20-25 minutes, it should be done. Be careful when you're taking out the container from the pot. Don't burn yourself. Now transfer them over to a serving dish and enjoy. As always, like, comment, and subscribe. We have more videos to come.